First of all, for our line managers, definitely they are able to actually have better people management skills. Our supervisors, so they are very hands-on, very practical, and they are very good in terms of technical skills. But in the soft skills, we are not actually strong in that. But with this Dr. Lee's performance management training, our line managers are able to do, like I mentioned, better performance conversations. Secondly, HR team, we are able to work hand in hand with our line managers to deal with people issues. After learning, going through this performance management training, HR team, line managers, we come hand in hand to be able to solve better people's management issues. Last but not least, I would say that policies is actually being crafted because right through this performance management training, aside to those performance conversations, performance management skills that we have learned, we have already crafted out the policies and the processes that are essential to this performance management training. We don't only learn the skills, but the knowledge and the policies and the processes. How do we actually carry out performance management as a small company?